Talo falava. In English, when we refer to moments in time, we use the word when. When did that happen? When will you go? When we meet again, I'm going to need my money. In Samoan, we use variations of the word a. Past tense when is Anafea. Or Anafea na esamai. When did you come? Now notice the past tense marker na right after Anafea to begin our question. O Afea o le a e aluiai. When will you go there? Now notice the future tense marker o le a after Afea. Anafea can only use past tense markers since it's referring to the past, while Afea uses present and future tense markers. A by itself in Samoan can be used as a hypothetical tense marker to mean something like when or if. A e alui le faleoloa, au mai ni lole fa'amolemole. In this sense, we're saying if or when you go, please bring me some candy. Practice different forms of when in Samoan.
Manu ole tau se I fa'alono